We got another Walmart vlog. You guys liked the last one. I liked finding fun stuff, so let's go find some more fun stuff at Walmart. This is not your regular Walmart Supercenter, by the way. This is a neighborhood Walmart, which I think that's just another word for smaller Walmart because it's in the city. I remember that they don't have bags here, so I came prepared with my own bag. Also, since it's Walmart, they don't have any shopping baskets, so you know the rules. We're gonna grab ourselves a mop bucket. First things first, I gotta grab my protein cheese. What the heck is this? What? All right, we're already starting off strong. We've got Subway sauces. Is Subway doing that good that they have sauces now at Walmart? Baja Chipotle, garlic aioli, creamy Italian, and then teriyaki. Red bell pepper, cheese cultures, bunch of stuff that's not good for you. Yeah, I mean, never once did I think to myself, let me just go ahead and buy some Subway sauce. All right, here's the main and only reason why I come to Walmart. Oh shit, I think they're out today. So main reason why I come to Walmart, they actually don't have it. So that's kind of a bust. It's the fat-free shredded cheese. It's got hella protein, no fats. Wow, they really don't have it. Someone must have caught on to my video or something, man, because I don't see it. We've got Captain Crunch pancake batter. Okay. Oh, come on, man. They knew what they were doing. Shiploads of morning fun. Come on, I see what you're doing, Captain. I get it. Let's try you. Wait a second. I see on here there's a syrup to match. I kid you not, in high school, I used to go to Walmart and I would buy this bread. Sometimes during even my lunchtime, I would buy this whole loaf of bread. I mean, my friends would split it because check it out. $1. $1 for this giant ass loaf of bread. So we would buy this, so we would just buy that $1 bread and we'd all just split it during lunchtime. Okay, now I'm in Hispanic food section. I don't even know why they still do this. It's kind of weird to me, but I saw something that I actually grew up eating because back home, I'm from the border and we had these back home. The chocolate ones were good, but the zucaritas, the Mexican version of Frosted Flakes, I'll get that for another time. I never tried these though, Choco Krispies. Those look good. But the zucaritas, those are way better than the American Frosted Flakes, I'm telling you. What is with these fast food places and branding in Walmart? We've got Wendy's chili. You could do it on the stovetop, microwave, either way. It's got a bunch of random crap in it. I wonder if it's the same as the stuff at the store. I wonder if you could find a finger in it. Do y'all remember when Wendy's had that whole fiasco where someone found a fingertip in their chili? I never had Wendy's chili, and then after hearing about that when I was a kid, I never wanted it, ever. That was just terrifying. Terrifying to imagine finding a fingertip in your fucking chili. So I never had it ever since then, but now they have it in stores. Cool. I'm actually fairly surprised to find good bone broth at a Walmart. I'm not throwing any hate towards Walmart. I'm just saying, like, it's surprising to find this sort of like good quality stuff amongst all this random assortments. So I mean, you can find some good shit here. Really, like, not throwing any shade to Walmart. Like, I grew up shopping at Walmart. I'm just surprised. Wow. Did y'all grow up with these? We call them bolis. Bolis? Tampico branded bolis or freezer pops. Other people grew up with them called Otter Pops. But these are two things I grew up with, bolis and then the French toast sticks, man. These were the best things all throughout school, elementary school, middle school, high school. These were the best fucking breakfasts, French toast sticks. And they also have them at Burger King. So I don't know if Burger King still does that, but good job Burger King for bringing back childhood. Did we know this was a thing? Walmart has a really interesting section. Let's check this out. $24 for an air fryer. Now, I don't own an air fryer. I don't know, let me know if I should buy this. I'll come back and buy this, do a little review. 24 bucks? I mean, now there's just no excuse to be able to have some crispy fries, right? They even have some nice toaster ovens. They got pressure cookers for 30 bucks. Oh man, they're still doing the George Foreman grills. My grandma lived off of this. I grew up having chicken on this thing. You know, it was actually a very specific flavor you get. It would taste like exactly what it looks like the picture. It would taste like you got a piece of chicken that was on a freaking hot iron. Man, they don't have George Foreman's picture on here anymore though. I wonder what happened. Once again, I'm surprised. Why didn't I come to this section before? This is Pyrex level, Anchor Hocking. I've never heard of this brand. This is like Pyrex level right here for $6. Okay, I might pick up actually one of these. A little glass, a little measuring glass. That's not bad. Not bad. This one's $2. And then look, we got the little shot glass measure. Guess how much this is? 97 cents. Okay. All right, Walmart. In the mop bucket it goes. Yo, why is this a thing? Why is this a thing? Remember how I said I'm from the border of Mexico? I know what this all is. I grew up on Poparindo. Like these Mexican candies, I can't believe there's a Mexican candy section here. It's fucking awesome. I grew up with these. Oh, they have the Lucas. Oh man, they even have these right here, the pica fresas. These little balls. Oh man, oh, the rice. The rice, I don't remember what they call these. There's like a rice paper with the cajeta in the middle. Man, these are the best. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a couple of these. Let's see. I'm gonna do one of the rice paper things just to show you guys what it is, because you gotta see that. Boo Boo Lubu. I love Boo Boo Lubu, by the way. It's this chocolate with like a, what was it, raspberry or strawberry? Oh, strawberry jelly and then marshmallow. So good. Okay, so I've got one more candy, everybody. These hot cherry locas look good. This is like some locally made thing. I love everything with tamarindo, by the way. Anything tamarindo, that is a must for me. So let's do one more like tamarindo flavored thing and then we're out. I don't need a lot. Everything's all in giant packages. Maybe this is for resellers. Okay, we're gonna do a poparindo just because poparindo's fire. We're just gonna grab that. Walmart's floors look really clean and shiny, by the way. Like the floor is glistening. Look at this thing. I wanna take a ride on that thing, huh? Wait just a second. Wait just a second now. We've got Arby's curly fries. If you should know, I've done videos on this in the past because Arby's makes the best fucking curly fries. And they have them in stores now? I wish they had that when I was a kid. Cause I grew up, I mean, these were great. I love this bag. I grew up on the Ore-Ida stuff, but if they had Arby's when I was a kid, that's what I would have wanted. Okay, let's enter the cereal aisle because we found fun stuff in the cereal aisle last time. And I think this is a good time to do a cereal review. Now we just need to find something a little interesting. That's not gonna be hard at Walmart because they always got interesting cereals. Oh, Honey Smacks are back. I remember they were out for some food safety hazard thing, but Honey Smacks and Golden Crisp, that is where it's at. That's delicious. Wait a second. Is this some sort of Mandela effect or what? Because Captain Crunch looks kind of different. Is it me or does he look different? Are his eyebrows? I don't know. Something looks off about Captain Crunch right now. Mouth off. What is this even? Oh, it's a plant-based. Eat your mouth off. That's a weird name. They knew what they were doing. Let's see, what else do we got? No freaking way, dude. We've got Goku cereal. I heard these are hard to find right now. Aren't these like selling on eBay for a lot of money? I'm getting this. I don't care what y'all say, I'm getting that. But I already know what these taste like, so I can't do a review. We're gonna have to get another cereal. Okay, let's see. Dude, what? I didn't realize there was a pink one. There's a, oh man. They knew what they were doing. Come on, come on. With the cream filling, pink, that's a little sus. It's a little sus, bunny. Okay, we're gonna have to try this. We're definitely gonna have to try this weird cereal right here, okay? Yeah, we're gonna do it. All right, that's our total. All right, this is a cereal review at Walmart. We've got the Trix Loaded. All right, let's see what it looks like going in. Colorful, okay. Let's load her up. I only got this because the cover was alluring. Like, you saw the cover, they knew what they were doing. But it looks just like regular colored Trix, I guess. It's supposed to be stuffed. We'll see if we can notice the stuffedness. I haven't had cereal in so long, to be honest. All right, let's try it. This is bringing me back. I haven't had Trix in so long. They feel like, it feels like little air pockets almost. Like a little air pocket. I couldn't tell you if they were stuffed. Oh, damn. Let's have some milk clear my throat. I couldn't tell if these guys were stuffed. I couldn't fucking tell you. But it tastes just like regular Trix. It's just bigger. That's it. They get soggier faster too. They're already starting to get soggy. Probably because they're puffed. It's kind of like cream of wheat plus Trix. It's like a weird, like flaky, stringy texture going on. But either way, it's Trix. I'll fucking eat it. It's Trix. Bringing me back to times when, simpler times. Complicated times. Silly rabbit, Trix are for Trix.